Hey guys, welcome back. Any new guys? Welcome. We do all kinds of different breaking on this channel and reveals. And I found a bunch of single Bruce Lee Kaleidoscopes. So I'm going to start ripping some, see what we hit. They're all single packs that I've gotten. I've hit 3 5x7 redemptions. You can see some wicked product there. So let's go. Guys, know the drill that have watched me before. Take requests. You can look up my eBay store, DodgeZen. Got a lot of awesome products there. My website, great prices. And for those of you who don't know, Bruce Lee is my personal favorite. These cards are pretty wicked. Yeah, it's a nice card. Look at that. Got his medallion on. Yeah. So we'll just rip this pile, see what we get. See if we get any out of base. Most of these packs are usually just base, but it's alright. I got a whole base. That's a nice card. I got the whole base in my Whatnot store, DodgeZen Whatnot store. I think I got them for like 50 bucks. 100 cards, the whole base complete. That's a pretty cool buy if you want to get started and enjoy these cards. It's a cool addition. Oh, there's something. I did get a hit. First Relic. Let's go. It's very enjoyable cards. Yeah, look at that. And bang, solid Relic. I'll take it. First Relic. This feels like a Relic pack, or is it just air? Let's see. Oh, just air. They got the sayings on the back. Very cool. That's a cool one. Peace sign. Cool little packs. Figured I wasn't going to sell them. I might as well break them. I could set up some new base collectors. You never know. You could hit a numbered cards. Never know. They're really cool cards. Look at that one. Very cool. Very cool. Probably should read some of these. Yeah, I'm going to read that one. Oh, it's numbered. Got a numbered green. That's a good hit. Scrimma sticks. Nice. There's the iconic. What? And look at that. Nice. 75 out of 150. Nice. It is compassion rather than the principle of justice which can guard us against being unjust to our fellow man. Man, is that relevant in today's times? I'm going to read that again. It is compassion rather than the principle of justice which can guard us against being unjust to our fellow man. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Considering what's going on in the U.S. right now, that's a very relevant quote from Bruce Lee. And that's why they're one of my personal favorites. Truth is outside of all patterns. And another numbered. I'll take it. Nice. Got a fuzzy on there. In a suit and numbered to 100. Nice. Let's go. Oh, got another relic. Bang, bang. Oh, got the nunchaku. Yeah, nice. Peace signs, dual peace. Very cool. Sort of matches his comment. Very cool. Very cool. I don't think you'll see these kind of breaks anywhere. So I hope you enjoy them. They're different. Something a little different for everybody. As you know, or many of you know, I break all kinds of stuff. There's a nice one. Very cool. Yeah, I've followed Bruce Lee since about 1980, maybe a little earlier. I have a pretty extensive collection of memorabilia. Just picked up some auction items from the Bruce Lee Foundation. Pretty epic. I probably should do a video of them. Some custom artwork by artists inspired by Bruce Lee. I have one of the original medallions from, I think it was 1980, that Linda Lee commissioned the world Bruce Lee to make 1,000. They're stamped, serialized. And a friend was kind enough to give me his. With the certificate and all the original documents. Pretty cool. They've since reproduced them without the serialization. They've been selling them for decades now, out of China. They're his Jeet Kune Do medallion, the infamous medallion. All base. In fact, here it is right here. If you're interested in seeing it, it's the original. It's got the number on the back. Very cool piece. Yep. Let's keep going. Rip them all. Gonna do it, might as well do it. Let's see what this one says. Always be yourself. Express yourself. Have faith in yourself. Yeah, tiger rug. Bruce Lee with a tiger rug. Very cool. We got about 6 more packs to go. Not bad. A few relics, a couple numbered. I'll take it. Art is really the expression of the self. Way to go, Bruce. Very wise man. There's a nice one. I like this one. It is like a finger pointing away to the moon. Don't concentrate on the finger or you will miss all that heavenly glory. I enjoyed that part of the movie. He's teaching a youngster the way. It's a wicked card. It's a good one in his Kung Fu uniform. And there's the iconic. I think he fights Bolo. I have a nice signed Bolo, him and Bolo fighting. Oh, here's a relic. Oh, it's a good one too. It's a good one. Bang, bang. Here we go. Nice. See what we hit. And, oh, it's another solid. Another solid. All right. Wicked cards. Take it. 2 more to go. Oh, another relic. Nice. A thin one. A thin relic. That's interesting. About half the thickness as that last one. Yeah, that's a good one. Oh, goodness. I still get running my cold. There, another solid kicking. Nice. I'll take it. Take a relic all day long. Last pack mojo. That one's been up pretty good. Nice. Well, there you have it. You guys can like, share. You know what? I might have something down below. Let's see. Let's just see. Let's end this off. What do I got here? If I got one, I'll rip it. I didn't plan on this, but I'm gonna rip it. Let's go. Let's go. What do you think? Let's rip it. It's sitting here. I thought it was sitting here. We ripped all these packs. Let's hit a banger. Let's hit a banger. We can't end without a relic. That last pack. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Come on now. Sealed. I hit a redemption out of here. I'm still waiting for, but yeah, live on, if you look back on some of my videos, I hit it live on YouTube. It was a cool hit. I think this comes with a pack. Yep, let's grab the pack out, just like the packs we just opened. Let's rip it. Moving, be like water. Still, be like a mirror. Respond like an echo. Oh, Bruce. How we miss you. Nice. That's a nice one. All right, here we go. Here we go. Bang. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Got his Hmong beads. How cool is that? I don't think I have one. I've seen some 101s on here. Maybe I have one. Look at that. 29 out of 50. His Hmong bead gem. How cool is that? So they were from his punching bag. Yeah, I have one, but how cool is that? The actual beads from the bag Bruce Lee would punch to strengthen his fists and hands. A 6mm green onyx gemstone included. How cool is that? How cool is that? What a cool relic. Neat. Alright, well there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed something a little different. Get some bangers. That's pretty cool. Enjoy that. And you can check out my website, DodgeZen.com. You can check out my videos here. Like, comment, share. It's appreciated. You can check out my eBay, DodgeZen store. You got all kinds of goodies, numismatics and cards and all kind of goodies. And you can check out my whatnot, which is also DodgeZen. And I'll probably be running a show tomorrow with try something different. We're going to do sports cards, but I'll have my usual singles and pieces of the past. And all right, well, thanks for watching, and come back soon. Until we meet again, thrive.